Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Renzi Style. Today we're delving into a topic that often takes the backseat. The significance of focusing on the process and not just fixating our mind on the result. To kick things off, let's talk about the overlooked beauty of goal setting. And I will be looking down on my computer a few times because I do not want to miss any of the pointers I have here written down. So I have here, instead of solely focusing on the end game, let's appreciate the process of defining our goals, reflecting on why these objectives matter and how each step contributes to personal growth and development. So we need to focus on our goal so we can focus on the steps of each goal that we have instead of just focusing on what the result will be, because sometimes we're focusing on the result and there are changes that happen before that result come through. So the art of planning in the present. So now on to the planning phase. While it's important to have a roadmap, let's shift our focus from a detailed future plan to the present moment. Craft a flexible plan that emphasizes the process, allowing you to adapt and grow as you navigate the day-to-day tasks that lead you towards your goal. So we just need to have our goals set and just have in between tasks and so that will make us achieve that goal. So instead of just putting the result and say, okay, we want to achieve this goal, we can put steps in place or we plan to achieve it. And there are some things that will happen in between. We can have closed doors, we can have rejection, we can have shutdown, we can have things that we'd never planned for in between before we achieve that goal. So, immersing in the present moment. The essence of our discussion today is immersing ourselves in the present moment. Instead of constantly envisioning the future, concentrate on the joy and learning embedded in your daily activities. Be mindful of the process, appreciating the small wins and the lessons that shape our journey. So, in between that major result that we're looking at, we can have small wins, like, for example, the consistency of what we're doing. We can have small wins in between by just looking at certain things that we have achieved. So, we just need to not just focus on the end result, because there are some results that come in before the big result, and we just want to appreciate those smaller wins as well. So we just need to appreciate these small wins and just have that mindset where we just be happy for ourselves before that big end result. Finding the joy in little moments. So life is made up of little moments. So as the process of achieving our goals, celebrate the small victories. So we just spoke about the small wins. Finding joy in the journey by appreciating the day-to-day efforts, you create a positive environment that fuels your passion and dedication. Because you see, when you're doing something and you have that end result and you realize that you're consistent with what you're doing, you're not giving up, that part of your life is very important, the not giving up aspect. So in between, while we're focusing on the process and not just the result, we're not giving up as well, and we're in between, we're looking at where we go wrong to correct those as well, because the process is what will lead you to the result. What you put in is what you get out. So we have to focus on the in between, the start and the finish. We have to focus on the middle part of it, if you understand what I mean. Comment down below if you realize that you are a person that focuses on the result without focusing on the process, because focusing on the process is very important. I've here navigating challenges as opportunities. Challenges are a natural part of any journey. Instead of fearing them, view challenges as opportunities for growth. Embrace the process of overcoming obstacles, as it shapes not only your character but also the unique narrative of your personal journey. Because remember, most people that have a journey that they speak about, they talk about some stuff that they face in between before they get where they are. Before they are successful, they talk about the doors that were closed. So we need to focus on the what we go through as well, because those are things that will shape our journey as well. All right, so embracing flexibility in your approach. Flexibility is a key element in any successful journey. Explore the process of adapting and being open to change as you pursue your goals. Sometimes unexpected opportunities or challenges can lead to more significant breakthroughs. So we need to understand that challenges will come along the way, and it's how we deal with those challenges as well. I have here mindful decision making in daily choices. Your daily choices shapes the way or the path to your goals. It dives into the process of mindful decision making by being aware of the impact each choice has on your journey. You empower yourself to make decisions that align with your aspirations. And we need to foster those positive mindsets. So we talk about building positive mindset. We need to foster the positive mindset as well. So a positive mindset is a powerful catalyst for success. Examine the process of cultivating optimism and resilience in the face of challenges. A positive outlook not only makes the journey more enjoyable, but also enhances your ability to overcome obstacles. And emphasizing personal growth, we need to emphasize on personal growth, where personal growth is an integral part of the journey. Explore the process of self discovery, continued learning, and evolving as an individual. The transformation impact of valuing the process over fixating on the result. Remember, success isn't just about the destination, it's about the journey. If you find these insights helpful, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and share to your friends as well if you know that they focus on the result and not the process. So we need to focus on the process. If you love this video, I know you will love the next video here on screen. Thank you again for watching. I appreciate you all, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you on the next video.